Looking to boost your income effortlessly? The top 7 strategies for passive income can help you achieve financial freedom. From renting out your property to creating digital products and investing in dividend stocks, these methods offer reliable ways to earn money without constant effort. Which of these strategies could you start implementing today to secure your financial future? In today's video, we will explore the top 7 strategies for passive income, offering reliable ways to earn money while spending more time with your loved ones. These methods are designed to help you achieve financial freedom without requiring constant effort. Whether you're looking to rent out your property, create digital products, or invest in dividend stocks, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogolorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. Content 1. Digital products. Digital products offer a straightforward path to generating passive income, making it accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. This is especially appealing for those looking to earn money without being tied to a traditional job. Adam McIntyre, the entrepreneur behind successful ventures like Brand Packs and Designer Candies, has shown that digital products such as software tools and design resources can yield high profits with minimal ongoing effort. These products operate almost autonomously once set up, allowing Adam and others like him to enjoy a steady stream of income while focusing on other ventures or enjoying personal time. For those who prefer a less technical approach, creating online courses or ebooks can also be highly lucrative. Ben Watson, a CPA and virtual CFO at Dollar Sprout, developed his Business Launch Kit, collaborating with another CPA to create valuable educational content. Once these courses and ebooks are uploaded to a server, they essentially become a perpetual inventory that can generate income passively. This approach is ideal for anyone who wants to share their knowledge and expertise while earning money around the clock. 2. Investment property is a tried and true method for generating passive income, though it does require an initial investment. Whether you choose residential, commercial, or short-term vacation rentals like those on Airbnb, each offers different levels of passive management. Russell Barber, founder of Unconventional Posterity, points out that purchasing properties with a 20% down payment and converting them from primary residences to rental units after a year can be a solid strategy. This approach allows investors to maximize the potential of their properties while ensuring a steady income stream. These avenues offer the benefits of rental income and property appreciation, making them an excellent choice for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios. Real estate investments also serve as a hedge against inflation and can provide significant tax advantages, making them a popular choice among investors seeking long-term financial stability and growth. 3. Outsourcing. Outsourcing is a powerful strategy that transforms active income streams into passive ones by delegating tasks to subcontractors or using white label services. For writers and entrepreneurs, this means hiring researchers and writers during busy periods, managing the process while earning a fee. This approach allows them to focus on higher-level tasks and growth opportunities while maintaining a steady income flow. Dropshipping is another form of outsourcing where a third party manages inventory while the business owner handles sales. This model can be highly automated with the right systems in place, making it a viable option for creating passive income. By leveraging dropshipping, entrepreneurs can scale their e-commerce operations without the need for extensive inventory management. 4. Subscription-based business. Subscription-based models, such as those used by e-commerce services, ensure a steady, recurring income stream. Companies like Blue Apron and Dollar Shave Club have embraced this model, targeting a demographic of young, affluent consumers. RJ Weiss from The Ways to Wealth suggests bundling products to enhance customer retention and forming partnerships with businesses that complement each other, creating a win-win situation. Amazon subscription memberships exemplify the success of this model, generating billions in revenue each year. These subscriptions provide a reliable income source, contingent upon delivering a positive customer experience and perceived value. Maintaining customer satisfaction is crucial to sustaining this steady stream of passive income. 5. Stock investments. Investing in stocks, especially dividend-paying stocks, provides a dependable source of passive income. Dividend stocks distribute a portion of the company's profits to shareholders, ensuring a steady income stream. James Pollard of The Advisor Coach suggests dividend ETFs, such as SRET, DIV, and SDIV, which currently yield 7% or more. For every $10,000 invested, you could earn $700 annually in dividends, providing a consistent source of income. Stock investments don't have to be risky. There are numerous options with lower volatility and inherent risks. This strategy enables you to accumulate wealth over time through regular dividend payments and potential capital appreciation. It's a reliable way to generate passive income while managing risk effectively. 6. Advertisements. Advertisements offer a passive income stream through various channels like websites, blogs, physical stores, vehicles, printed materials, and email newsletters. Keelan and Brittany Klein from The Savvy Couple have effectively earned $3,000, $6,000 monthly from display ad revenue on their personal finance blog, capitalizing on their large readership. Affiliate marketing is another advertising method where you earn commissions for driving traffic or sales to products or services through affiliate links. This strategy is prevalent in many industries and has the potential to generate substantial passive income with suitable audience and product partnerships. It's a reliable way to monetize online content and expand revenue streams without significant ongoing effort. 7. Rent out your stuff. Renting out your possessions through peer-to-peer rental sites like Loanables or niche marketplaces such as Rent My Wardrobe, Maven, and BabyQuip can transform unused items into a steady passive income stream. Whether it's clothing, vehicles, equipment, or parking spaces, these platforms enable you to list your items for rent and earn money with minimal effort. Utilizing these rental services allows you to generate extra cash flow by monetizing items that would otherwise sit idle. For example, Rent My Wardrobe lets you rent out your stylish clothing to others who are looking for trendy outfits without the commitment of purchasing. Maven provides a convenient way to rent out your car when you're not using it, turning your vehicle into a source of income rather than a depreciating asset. BabyQuip allows you to rent out baby gear like strollers and cribs to traveling families, making it easier for them and more profitable for you. Renting out your possessions not only helps you earn extra income, but also maximizes the utility of items you own. It's a straightforward way to capitalize on the sharing economy and make money passively. By listing your items on these platforms, you can potentially earn significant income depending on the demand and uniqueness of your items. By diversifying your income sources through digital products, investment property, outsourcing, subscription-based businesses, stock investments, advertisements, and peer-to-peer rentals, you can create multiple streams of passive income. These strategies not only generate ongoing revenue, but also allow you to invest in your future with minimal effort once set up. For more insightful content on managing finances and achieving financial independence, visit our website at cryptogolorenews.live. Follow us on Instagram at CryptoNewsGalore for updates and discussions.